Hey guys, this is GS Fear, and I'm here to tell you how to get awesome fonts for your stream title on Twitch. Okay guys, this is very simple to get the fancy, really cool looking text for your stream title on Twitch. All you have to do is go to maketext.io. And then where it says, or show me some more copyable fancy text. Now we'll type in, for example, Dark Souls. We will hit make fancy text. And then as you see, we have all of these right here that are kind of fancified, awesome looking text. So then I like this one right here. We'll just hit copy. And then we will go over to our stream manager, hit edit stream info. And then Control V. And then as you see, Dark Souls is right there. And you'll just hit done. And congratulations, you have the really cool looking text. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, like, comment, and subscribe. And I do stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/gsfear almost every single day except for Tuesdays, 8 PM EST. Till next time.